Hello, this is John Hodges. I'm the engineering manager here at Fort Defiance. I'd like to talk today a little bit about Sterility products. We offer a line from Dana Products called the Steriscan system. There's also the very familiar 3M system. And I want to march through these to let you know what your options are, because you have some different things. Because the P2131 sterilizer has a 10-minute cycle, there are some options. I want to start with a typical 4-minute cycle. Our immediate use cycle is 4 minutes, and our textile cycle is 4 minutes, and we have a wrapped instrument cycle that's at 4 minutes. So for the Steriscan system, that would be this section here. All of these are for 4-minute cycles, all of these are for 10-minute cycles, and all these are for the Bowie dig test. So for the 4-minute cycle, Dana Products offers a Steriscan chemical integrator, a Class 5 integrator, which you can put anywhere in your load for early indication of sterility. So they have that, but they have a special process challenge device. You can basically unscrew this. This is a 3M 1292 biological indicator. If you take this, insert it cap first into the process challenge device, screw the cap on, place that near the drain in the front of the sterilizer. That will actually serve as your process challenge device. The alternative is a standard 3M attest system. With a 1296 pack, what's inside there is a 1292 biological indicator, just like what I put in here. This normally goes same place this would go. It goes in the front of the sterilizer near the drain. After you finish, take this apart, and the 1292 you can incubate. If you're using the Steriscan system, at the end of the cycle, you unscrew this and incubate this the same as with the 1296. The benefit of the Steriscan system, which we really love, is basically the size. With the 1296, you have to store one of these. With the Steriscan system, you're storing one of these. So just logistically, the size is a really big benefit of this system. These are used with the auto test reader, or auto reader from 3M. Again, very similar to this. Okay, so that's 4-minute cycle, just their standard cycle. As I mentioned before, the P2131 comes with a 10-minute extended cycle. You can program it for more than that, but one of the standard cycles is a 10-minute wrapped instrument cycle. So for that cycle, and for that cycle only, we have this option from Steriscan. It's the same process challenge device, but for 10 minutes you need a little more challenge for the steam. So you have a clear tube with a spring inside. Take the same 1292 biological indicator, cap first, put the cap on, cap first, and I already have one in there. Cap first, tighten the cap, that goes in the front of the sterilizer, in the front near the drain. Again, this is more of a challenge for the steam, and it's the only FDA approved challenge device for 10-minute cycles. So that's why there's a blank spot over here on 3M. There's no other alternative. But again, the only difference here versus the 4-minute is the clear tube. Lastly is the Bowie dig test. With the Steriscan system and the Bowie dig test, you have a strip that looks a lot like the chemical integrator. This one, and it shows you which direction to put this in. Take this, drop it in the challenge device, tighten, put it in the same front bottom near the drain, just like you would the 3M Comply system. This is the 1233 3M Comply. So this is a Bowie dig test that has paper on the inside. When you finish the Bowie dig test, take this apart, there's a sheet on the inside, gives you a yes it passed or no it did not pass. Same with this guy. At the end of your cycle, you take this out, and very similar to the Class 5 integrator, it will show you whether you passed or not. But again, logistically, you can store a whole lot more of these than you can these guys. So much preferred. Okay, so that's your options for sterilization assurance on the P2131. Have a great day.